How to use our SC05-SS Kiosk digital air machine. Using our air machine to calibrate your tires couldn't be easier. First, check the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure of your vehicle. Usually this information is located on the driver's side door jamb. Look for the PSI pressure specification. Once you know the proper pressure for the tires, you have two options. For pay air calibration, go to the air machine and proceed with a payment. You can simply tap, insert, or slide the card into the reader. If you prefer, you can also use Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. For free air calibration, go into the store and locate the free air kiosk. Press the free air button and wait for your generated code slip to finish printing. Return to the air machine and type the 4-digit code. Press the check mark button. After pay or free air is activated, select the proper tire pressure by tapping the plus or minus in the keypad. Then grab the chuck located on the right-hand side of the air machine and carefully connect and hold down the chuck firmly on the valve stem. After calibration is complete, you will hear a beep. Gently remove the chuck from the valve stem and go to the next tire to repeat the same procedure. When you're done, carefully return the chuck to the bucket on the right-hand side of the air machine. What if the tire does not inflate? If the tire does not inflate when the hose chuck is connected to the valve stem, press the flat tire button on the keypad. Carefully connect and hold down the chuck firmly on the valve stem again and wait until you hear a beep. If the tire persists to be underinflated, then a visit to a local tire shop is recommended. Excel Tire Gauge, America's leader in digital air inflation.